Hello everyone, this is Justified Speaks, and today we're trying LECHE FLAN and MACAPUNO. So I've been buying LECHE FLAN and UBE MACAPUNO from my friend for quite a long time now. So if you want to order this food, be sure to check my description box because I'll put their Facebook account so that you can message them. So LECHE FLAN, as you all know, consists of milk, eggs, and it is steamed. So it's sweet and everything with eggs and milk I love, like pastillas, LECHE FLAN, and previously I have puto de leche. It's been a long time and they're trying to perfect the LECHE FLAN and other food that they're serving, and I think right now it's really good. The sweetness is perfect, and for other countries this is called flan. I'm not sure why it is called LECHE FLAN here in the Philippines, but if I could remember it right, Spanish introduced LECHE FLAN to the Filipinos, especially here in Manila, because there's a lot of ducks when they came to Manila. So let's try the LECHE FLAN. Actually, this has been made, if I can remember it right, already 2 days ago. I've been waiting for the ube because they're trying to get the other products that they are selling, and right now ube is not available in the market, so I'm just trying the two that they have right now. So for, I think if I can remember it right, this is 70 pesos for one. The LECHE FLAN is not that sweet, creamy, and it's still good. I really love LECHE FLAN. So the thing with LECHE FLAN is, if you put too much egg in it, it will be not that good. If you put too much milk in it, it's too sweet, especially because you're putting condensed milk in it. This one is not as good as the one I tried in BGC, but it's better than the one we're buying from the market. So yeah, LECHE FLAN is good. I almost finished it up. So let's go to MACAPUNO. MACAPUNO is a sweetened coconut dessert here in the Philippines. There's so much coconut trees here in the Philippines, especially in the provinces. And this is 60 pesos for this one whole tub, which is cheap. I really love this as a toppings of their ube because they have two varieties of ube, the one with cheese and the one with MACAPUNO. Cheese is overwhelming for the ube, but this one is really good. So the coconut is soft. It's like jellied already. The sweetness is not that sweet. Sometimes there has been misconception about the candied coconut, but we call that bukayo here. So if you see a flattened candied coconut shavings, that's bukayo. If you see a sweetened coconut, we call it MACAPUNO. This is a really easy to make dessert, and it's really good, especially if you like coconuts. This is young coconut, by the way, not the coconut shavings that you use for toppings in other Filipino rice cakes. So I think I ate a lot of dessert right now. I just ate my lunch, and I ate a lot of that LECHE FLAN. So Both of these are really good. I'm hoping to get the ube before I release this video so that I can also share that with you. So we just got the ube. Again, if you want to order from them, be sure to check my description box. I'll put their Facebook accounts so that you can message them. They're also posting in Facebook Market. They're available for delivery here in Binangonan. So be sure to check them out. Again, if you're not yet a subscriber, be sure to subscribe on my channel, press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I'm releasing new videos. But my schedule is every Wednesday and Saturday at 3 p.m. so it would fit on the time the Filipino are getting their snacks. If you have any comments, suggestions, recommendations of food that I should try, be sure to put that on the comment box below. And if you like this video, please press the thumbs up button and share it to your friends. That's all for now. Thank you and God bless.